Aloha and welcome. This is Unit E and we're back with another tutorial, this time on the Roland TR-6S. I'm going to show you a quick trick in here to keep you moving with a good workflow. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your fill-ins 1 and 2. Now, to access your different variations, you press variation and you have A through H. But to sequence in the variation, you need to be in TR record mode. Now, something you might not know is that if you hold TR record down, it shows you variations with one of them blinking kind of a magenta or pink purple color, which means that is the one you are currently editing when you let go and you see your step sequencer. So as you can see here, you have A through H, and you have up here on the top right, it says A for select variation. Now I could push my variation to select my editing, and that is all fine. Or I can turn the value knob and you can see it scrolls through them as well. Once you get to H, if you do it further, you'll see 1 and 2. This is to sequence the autofill or your fill to be used within the TR-8S with your fill-in trigger or the autofill on. Once again, hold TR record and scroll past variation H to get to 1 or 2. Then let go and sequence it just like any other variation with your instruments. That's all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let other people know you did, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already and ring that bell to be notified anytime another video pops up. And as always, thanks for watching.